case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1994, the Supreme Court of Rhode Island heard the case of Tantimonico v. Allendale Mutual Insurance, which centered on whether a landowner is responsible for injuries sustained by trespassers if they fail to warn of extreme dangers. Plaintiffs Guy Tantimonico, Jr. and John McPhillips, Jr. were injured while riding motorcycles on undeveloped land owned by Allendale Mutual Insurance Company. They filed a lawsuit against the defendant, but the lower court ruled that the defendant was not responsible for their injuries. The plaintiffs appealed, but the Supreme Court upheld the decision that the defendant had no legal duty to discover, remedy, or warn of dangerous natural conditions to trespassers. The court rejected traditional distinctions between invitee, licensee, and trespasser, replacing them with the basic tort test of reasonableness. The trial justice stated that there was no legal duty to support the plaintiff's actions and granted the defendant's motions for summary judgment. Ultimately, the court held that Allendale Mutual Insurance had no legal duty to the plaintiffs and was not responsible for their injuries. The traditional categories were replaced with a basic tort test of reasonableness, without addressing other aspects of the case. The plaintiffs' appeals were denied, judgments affirmed, and papers remanded to the Superior Court.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.